What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy E For Real, and I'm back with another lock update, hair update, whatever. Yeah, I know in my last video I cut them off, so I wanted to bring out an update. And this is about 3 days after I made that video with the fro. So I went ahead and asked my girl to braid it up, you feel me, just so my hair can continue growing and stuff. And that didn't really work out too well. So what I did, I was like, hey, let's just go ahead and start the Wick Jones, you feel me? So this ain't the final set. I just got these up just because I hate the fro. I hate the fro. Don't get me wrong, I respect the fro, but I can't rock with the fro. So I went ahead and had her do me some little starter, you know what I'm saying, Wicks, if that's what you want to call them. This ain't my final set. Like I said, I'm just using these so I can go ahead and can continue to help my hair grow, and so my hair won't be getting matted down, because I don't like all that matting it down and gotta pick it out and stuff like that. So I went ahead and put these in, so yeah, so it can continue to grow. And I actually like these, you feel me? She did a real good job, you know. But like I said, I don't know if I really want her to do them like this next time, you feel me? Next time I might just go ahead, instead of parting, I might just grab a section of my hair and put a rubber band around it and go ahead and do it that way. But a couple of y'all done commented on my last video giving me advice and stuff like that. I done checked your channels out, so salute to y'all, you feel me? I'm rocking with y'all. I done subscribed and everything, you know, watched some videos, and I'm rocking with y'all, and I appreciate the support. But without further ado, I'm about to go ahead and reveal what's under here. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so this is what we rocking with, you feel me? I really like these, you feel me? They might look funny to some people who don't like Wicks, or people don't like, you know what I'm saying? I like a lot of type of hairstyles, you feel me? I'm not, I don't know, I'm not judgmental, you feel me? But I don't care, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so look, I went ahead and put the rubber band at the end just because they was real puffy, and I didn't want them to look like little broccolis, you feel me? Even though y'all probably still think they look like little broccolis. But anyway, went ahead and did that. So like I said, this ain't gonna be my final set. It might be, I don't know, I'm gonna see. I went ahead and gave me a fresh lineup. I shaded size and everything, you feel me, so I can get more in the game. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick 360 and let me know how y'all feel about, feel me? Comment down below what y'all think. But so right now, as of right now, I got 11 Wicks right now. I kind of wanted like 7 or 9. I sold her either 7, 9, or 11. So she went ahead and got me in the game with 11. So yeah, I really like these though, you feel me? So I might continue to rock out with these, or like I said, I'm really leaning towards just to go ahead and group, you know what I'm saying, my hair together and throw a rubber band at them like that. But like I said, I'm really using these to help my hair continue to grow, because I don't know if it's just me, but comment down below if y'all feel like the fro stage make y'all hair grow slow, just because ain't nothing being done to it. I know braids, I know locks and stuff like that help your hair grow faster, so that's why I wanted it in style, you feel me? But, so this is what we rocking with. Like I said, y'all didn't have to unsubscribe or none of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm still locked in with the locks, you feel me? A little minor setback for a major comeback. So we about to bounce back and rock out with these for a minute. And like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all along the whole journey, you feel me? Every step of the way. If I take these down, y'all gonna know. If I'm rocking a fro, y'all gonna know. If I'm rocking braids, y'all gonna know. So yeah, man, like I said, I really like these. But this video ain't gonna be long. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update so y'all can see what's going on. And before it start getting, not messy, but yeah, before I have to give myself another lineup. Cause I just did my line like 2 days ago. But like I said, I really like these, y'all. So I might go ahead and just keep them, you feel me? It depends. I wouldn't mind, you know what I'm saying, seeing the journey with these, but y'all gonna know. Alright, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure y'all like this video so it can get out there in the algorithm, and so other people who starting the Wicks, you know what I mean, can go ahead and check out this content, jump in the game. salute to you Florida boys, you know what I'm saying, for rocking with me and giving me advice, you feel me? And support, I mean, and salute everybody, you know what I'm saying, who rocking with me, you know what I'm saying, because I'm rocking with y'all, and I really appreciate it. We had like 568 subscribers. We close to 600, so make sure you share this video. Y'all stay locked, y'all stay up. I love y'all, and I'm out. Peace.